Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Car OBD2 scanners that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is UMEIJA Upgrade Tester Car OBD2 Scanner. The UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner with Upgrade Battery Tester is a reliable diagnostic tool for vehicles made since 1996. It works with all OBD2 protocol cars and trucks, allowing users to read and clear engine error codes quickly. This device shows live data streams with clear graphics and provides detailed vehicle information, helping understand the car's condition before visiting a repair shop. It supports multiple languages including English, German, French, Spanish, Finnish, Dutch, Russian, and Portuguese, making it accessible worldwide. Designed with durability in mind, the scanner is compact and lightweight, weighing 12 ounces with dimensions of 8.9 by 6.9 by 1.4 inches. It comes with a heavy-duty 2.5-foot cable featuring a standard 16-pin connector, which is strong and flexible. The rugged design prevents damage from accidental drops, ensuring long-lasting use even in tough environments. Equipped with an upgraded microprocessor, this scanner delivers fast and accurate diagnostics. It displays sensor data in real time, helping users quickly identify common vehicle issues. Operating the scanner is simple, with 6 easy-to-use buttons and a plug-and-play setup that requires no complex instructions. The built-in battery tester monitors battery health and voltage, preventing unexpected failures and maintaining reliable performance. Advanced functions include testing oxygen sensors and the evaporative emission system to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Backed by strong customer support and a service guarantee, this OBD2 scanner is an excellent choice for home users and professional mechanics alike. In our list, the number 2 product name is ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner. The ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner is a dependable tool for identifying vehicle engine problems in models made since 1996. It is designed to work with all 16-pin vehicles that follow the OBD protocol, including cars, light trucks, and sport utility vehicles from the United States, Europe, and Asia. This diagnostic device can read and clear engine-related trouble codes, display pending faults, and provide clear definitions without the need for external searches, making it convenient for both beginners and experienced users. It supports multiple languages such as English, German, French, and Spanish, making it suitable for drivers worldwide. The built-in database includes more than 42,000 diagnostic trouble code lookups, helping identify issues accurately before repair. The tool also allows monitoring of oxygen sensors and the evaporative emission system, assisting in improving fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, and maintaining a healthier engine. The scanner features a 2.4-inch true color liquid crystal display with an easy-to-navigate interface. This ensures that information is presented clearly, allowing quick access to essential functions like emission readiness checks, code searches, and setup options. Its straightforward plug-and-play design draws power directly from the vehicle's OBD port, requiring no additional battery or charger. Backed by a decade of expertise, ANCEL ensures continuous updates and product improvements based on customer feedback. The AD410's recent upgrade enhances performance and usability, making it a valuable choice for drivers seeking an efficient way to monitor their vehicle's health and prepare for repairs or inspections. In our list, the number 3 product name is FOXWELL NT301 Graphing OBD2 Scanner. The FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner is a practical tool for identifying and understanding engine problems in vehicles made since 1996. It works with a wide range of cars, light trucks, sport utility vehicles, and 12-volt diesel models that follow the OBD protocol. This device can read diagnostic trouble codes, check emission readiness, monitor sensor activity, and retrieve the vehicle identification number, helping drivers detect issues before costly repairs. With its ability to display live data in both numeric and graphical form, the scanner allows easy monitoring of sensor trends to spot unusual readings. It supports major protocols such as KWP2000, J1850VPW, ISO 9141, J1850PWM, and CAN, making it suitable for many United States, European, and Asian models. It does not require a separate power source, drawing energy directly from the vehicle's 16-pin connector for convenient use anytime. The 2.8-inch color display presents clear information, while its intuitive design ensures quick navigation through menus. Built-in indicator lights and an audible alert provide a simple way to check readiness for emissions tests. It is widely recommended by professional mechanics and popular on automotive platforms for its accuracy and ease of use. This tool is designed for engine diagnostics only and does not support systems like anti-lock braking or supplemental restraint systems. For home garages and professional workshops, the FOXWELL NT301 offers a dependable way to read fault codes, clear them after repairs, and maintain vehicle performance efficiently. In our list, the number 4 product name is MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 Scanner. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 Scanner is a dependable diagnostic tool for vehicles built since 1996. It is designed to help drivers and mechanics understand engine-related problems by reading and clearing fault codes, checking freeze frame data, viewing emission readiness, and monitoring live performance information. This includes real-time curves, vehicle speed, load values, coolant temperature, and engine revolutions per minute, making it easier to identify issues before costly repairs. Compatible with 9 protocols, it works with most United States-based vehicles from 1996 onward, as well as 2000 European and Asian models. It supports multiple languages including English, German, Dutch, Spanish, French, and Italian, making it useful for a wide range of users. The scanner operates without a separate battery or charger, drawing power directly from the vehicle through its OBD data link connector. The 2.8-inch liquid crystal display features a white backlight with adjustable contrast for clear visibility in various lighting conditions. A 2.5 feet durable cable and sturdy build ensure reliability during repeated use. Simple navigation is made possible with 6 functional buttons, including quick access for vehicle identification number lookup and diagnostic trouble code retrieval. This tool focuses solely on OBD systems and does not support functions such as anti-lock braking, airbag, or oil service reset. Designed for convenience and ease of use, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 provides accurate readings, helping users maintain engine health and prepare for inspections with confidence. In our list, the number 5 product name is ANCEL AD310 Classic Car OBD2 Scanner. The ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner is a practical diagnostic tool for vehicles built since 1996. It is designed to help identify the cause of the check engine light, read and clear engine trouble codes, display live performance data, and view freeze frame information. This makes it useful for both home users and mechanics who want quick and accurate results without relying on a repair shop. Built with durability in mind, it features a sturdy 2.5 feet cable with thick insulation that can handle frequent use. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to carry in a backpack or store in a vehicle. The clearly labeled buttons and large screen ensure that the information is easy to read, even for beginners. The device operates without the need for a separate power source, drawing energy directly from the vehicle's OBD data link connector. It supports major OBD protocols including KWP2000, J1850VPW, ISO 9141, J1850PWM, and CAN, providing wide compatibility with United States, European, and Asian cars, light trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Known for delivering fast and precise readings, this scanner can help drivers address issues immediately and prepare for inspections with confidence. Its reliability and portability make it a valuable addition to any home garage or travel toolkit, giving users a simple and effective way to monitor vehicle health and maintain performance without unnecessary costs. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.